Hey people, what's going on? It's your boy Richard here. Just making a quick video on how to log into Nadex and to take a trade. Okay, first thing you need to do is go to nadex.com. So when you go to nadex.com, this page should appear. So when you see this page, there is a blue login button right here in the top right hand corner of the computer, and you have to be doing this on your desktop or your laptop. So you'll click on this button. Then what will pop up is basically this page. So let's say login. On this login page, you could log in on your live account and your demo account. So to log into your demo account, all you simply do is you'll click on demo, and then of course and then demo will pop up in your username. So you put your username, then you put your password. Well, I have my stuff saved, so I'll just go ahead and go to my saved area, and you see it says demo, my username, password, demos click. Then I'll go down to this blue button that says login. You click on login. Once you log in, you know in your demo account because this top box is green. The live account is blue. So now you are in your demo account. So this is how your demo account looks. So now if I call a trade, let's say this is the trade I call. So and this time period is not going to be on here anymore. But first thing, this is a forex trade. So you go to, and most of the time I call forex trades. So you go right here where it says forex binaries. Click on that, and then on the box on the picture, you see it says AUD USD. So you go to AUD USD. You find that there it is right here. So I click on it. Next, the next time period is 9 o'clock to end. I have 8 right here, but let's say this says 9 o'clock on there. So you'll click on 7 p.m. to 9 o'clock. You'll click on that. Now this area pop in. It'll pop in this area, and basically say I say it's going to stay below 104. 104. Sam says it's going to stay below 104. So 104 will be right here. Let's say 0.7704. And that's what you'll see. You'll find that right here. So what you'll do, because I said it's gonna be a sale, or you can just click right here. As soon as you click there, this box will pop up. And then next thing you're like, okay, what next? Well, this red button right here that says sale is red. So you see it's not red right here on yours. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on sale. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put 1. Your size is always going to be 1 for right now because you're new. So always put 1. Next, when you look at the box, I put $30. Well, I'm not gonna put $30 on here. Actually, I'm gonna put $12. So let's make it like I put it on there $12. So I put $12 on there. So that means this is the trade. The trade is all set up now. So then you just go to place order. Boom. Go to place order. It said order received. And then you go to the orange box. It says close. Press close. That's it. See? And the order's taken now. Now all I got to do is wait. I got it. Here it says time left, 39 minutes. And this indicative price is the current market price. And this is the price it has to stay below because we're doing the sale position. That means it got to stay below. Sales to stay below, buys to stay above. Remember that. Sell is to stay below, buy is to stay above. So since we did a sale, which that's why it's red right here, you have to stay below this price. So that's how you do that. So now let's go ahead and try to log into a live account. So I'm going to log out. All right. So now I'm going to do this. So now we're going to go to nadex.com, go to login, and you see this screen again. Now, instead of checking demo or doing anything like that, you're just going to put your username. So my username is different on my demo account than it is on my live account. So now I put my username, I put my password. Notice it doesn't say demo or anything right there. None of these boxes are checked. So username, password, press login. Now it logs into my live account. My live account, you notice it's blue up here. That's when you know you're on your live account. It's blue. Everything is still the same. You go to binaries, you go to AUD, USD, you go to 9 o'clock. These boxes pop up, and then you can just pick whatever trade you want to pick at that moment. So they give you a little bit different numbers on here, so you really don't know which one you want to do. So if I go on my chart and start looking at what's going on, like right now, it's just it's not much that I want to do right now. And if I did go to trade, it has to stay above 10. So basically, do they even have 10? They have 10, but they don't have the time period. It's only 37 minutes left. I don't know if I could be able to keep that. So let's just say it's gonna stay above 6. Well, actually, I'm not even gonna place a trade because I don't want to place that trade. But that's basically it. It's the same way. So I'm not gonna place that trade on my live account because I'm not practicing on my live account. I only practice on my demo account. So log out, and like I said, I'm logged out. Go back to this page, go to log in. I want to log in my demo. See how it auto populates demo right away? So if you want to log into your live account, you have to go back there. You have to change this to your live account information. So this is my demo account. I want to log into my demo. So I just press login because my stuff is always saved. And bam, there you go. I'm in my demo account. It's just like that. It's that simple. And you got to just keep on practicing, going back and forth. If you just keep practicing, going back and forth, you'll actually remember on how to do it. And also, I will advise everyone to buy a little memo book and put all your usernames and passwords in this memo book. That's what I have. I have a small book I bought from Barnes and Noble. It has all my usernames and passwords in it. So if I need to, if I forget something, forget a username and password, it's written down. I just go here, look at my book, type it in, and I'm in. Just like that. That way I don't have to remember anything. I could just, so when you set your accounts up, you just got to remember to go ahead and write that stuff in. But anyway, thanks for watching my video, and let's all keep making money. All right, peace.